The sexual abuse of children is a devastating problem in the U.S., and studies show 1 in 4 women had been victims of child sexual abuse.
Riley Nagel introduces us to a woman working to raise awareness about the abuse of minors.
Conni Leonessa had worked as a nurse for more than 30 years. She says her work in pediatrics and public health is what opened up her eyes to child abuse.
According to PACSA, 95% of this is preventable through education. That's why I'm trying to do what I'm doing.
Leonessa works to educate the public at seminars, sharing her research and several books like PACSA, Parents Against Sexual Abuse. She also shares her experience working with traumatized women who were addicted to drugs and alcohol, saying it was the catalyst for her mission.
I started asking these women, what happened to you in your childhood? 99.9% of the time, they told me they were molested as children.
Through her work in the medical field, she says she found that trauma was a common theme for addiction and believes a lot of abused children grow up to express that trauma in other ways.
So yes, many times those who were molested will themselves molest.
Leonessa warns predators typically aren't strangers, but family members or family friends. Statistics released from RAINN, a national anti-sexual violence organization, show that 8 out of 10 sexual assaults are committed by someone known to the victim.
It could be a teacher, it could be a youth worker, it could be a pastor, it could be a doctor. I mean, it's everybody.
She says she found in her field that pornography addiction can also lead to predator activity. Her concern is that pornography is too accessible to children with internet access.
So when a kid is exposed, they will not tell their parents. What they will do is they will show other kids.
Her advice to parents: have conversations with your children regularly about dangerous people and websites, letting them know they can be open and honest.
Kids who are prepared are more likely to tell their parents about it than kids who aren't.
Leonessa hopes the current House Bill 1614 will pass, which would limit accessibility of porn to children and possibly prevent future child abuse.
Protect Tennessee Minors Act. We need to get involved. You need to call your legislators and tell them we want this bill passed.
For more information on the topic and Leonessa's resources, visit our website. For Local 3 News, I'm Riley Nagel.